This is my '04, model year '04, but in reality '03 Subaru Impreza hatchback. I already know what you guys are thinking. It's like, what on earth have you done to this car since we last saw it with the LED headlight upgrade? So I've gone ahead and painted the wheels white, redid the paint finally, front bumper's been done correctly. There's been quite a bit done to the car. But the main big thing that I did that fucked it up was this. Carpet is quite the mess, and I do want to get that absolutely sorted today. I've got the carpet in the back of the car, which comes from an '04 WRX, so it should be identical to this one. It was also another manual one, which is good. So it should be good on that standpoint. The idea is to rip this old one out, grab the new one, clean that one out, paint it black ideally with the fabric stuff that you can buy, and then slap on into the car. That's the idea. So we'll see whether or not we can actually smash that out today. Lugging this one around for I don't know, ages, put it that way. It's not mold, it's not dirty, but it is definitely not in the best of nicks. Being the main big issue I've got, right where the driver is, there's holes torn into here, which is not ideal. This is completely ripped up, and good thing is this at least is roughly where the seat is, and it's on the passenger side. Passenger side looks great. I've got the water extracting machine, thankfully, so I can just clean it, scrub it down, and just suck all that crap out. Yeah, so there's one problem that I've got. It's this rust here. I'd fixed it up in the past, and yeah, I'm not all too happy with what I did. I've got some metal Rust-Oleum, whatever it's called. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, wait, what? I was saying I've got rust here, so I need to sort this out. So I'm probably just going to take out the back seats for now, and we'll get on to repairing this rust, because this is bad. So we'll do it now. I'll take both seats out, put you guys on a time lapse, and then we'll reconvene after that. Let's do it. Oh, my neighbors? Oh, they love me. That's the rust that I'm dealing with right now. Just all here. I need to scrub all that down, and then paint it. This is bad rust. I don't know where it's coming from, but it's like pretty bad. So I want to fix that before, you know, I get tetanus. There's metal exposed now, of course. So I'm going to spray it down with some Rust-Oleum, with some galvanizer, metal galvanizer, the rust stuff. And I'm just going to put it back there, let it dry quickly, and then we'll continue taking the carpet out. Alrighty, so repairs done. I would say that's all pretty much covered up, looking nice, fresh. Put that all back together. Now the next step is to clean this up. Alright, now I'm gonna get into the car and we're gonna head over to Super Cheap Auto, get the stuff that we need to get it, and be back and paint it. Also, I feel like it's raining, but it just might be me. Off we go. Brilliant, it's decent. Here it is, black bottle. And now we spray, apparently. We just, I mean, big difference, eh? This is day 2 now. I've got 2 computers I need to get rid of. So you two can get out of here. Thank you. Alrighty. We'll take power cord. And 1 and 2. Alright, now that both computers are out of the car, we need to take out seat 1, seat 2. Then we have to take out the motor center console. Not going to be fun. And I mean, these seats are already loose. And that's basically, and then we'll be able to swap in the new stuff. These two both need to come out. 1 and 2 need to come out. And the seat as well.
early, like a spastic, and I need to figure out how all this works. I have to shuffle this around. Alright, and with that, it's done. Carpet's all in, looking fresh, except for that, but we'll cover that up. I'll 3D print some stuff for it. Finally, my petrol thing isn't all over the place. This looks all nice. It's all nice and covered in. All the clips went in as well, so this carpet's actually held in. And now we're just gonna have to bolt the seat down. I'm gonna bolt the passenger seat down first. I've also fixed up all of those, put all those in, made the holes for the seat as well, and I found some bolts for that as well. And with that, we should be pretty much good to go. Now I plunked my sub over here. Poor thing. There's some velcros on the bottom. It's good for music. You need, these cars don't have that good of a sound system, even though they are aftermarket. Put JBLs in here, but they're not the best. Alright, still in, which is good. So I have to run all those wires underneath out of here. So they already did the wiring path for you and everything. You just need to wire it up. Carpet's all been installed. So you get those two, I'll buy them now. The carpet's all in. This is not going anywhere. It's molded, it's correct. These are a pain. Not the seat itself. The rail that I bought from eBay is not correct. I mean, look, hella dark. It looks really nice, and it fits in with the rest of the car. It's all nice and black. Let's get out of the thing. It's all nice and black, dark. Looks nice. It really does fit in with the whole theme of the black interior, of the dark interior. Still need to paint these. I have to figure out how to get these out. I need to print this. This got broken when I took the door out. And then the last piece to do, which will probably be in the future, will be to paint all of this. I'll have to take all of this out and then paint this, because then I can get rid of all these marks that have happened over the years. I don't even know what these are from, but yeah, well, I mean, you can probably guess. So yeah, everything's all together, and that's about it. Interior looks really nice. I'm really happy with how it came out. So without further ado, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you if you watched till now. There will definitely be more upgrades with the car, definitely more things to do, more maintenance items I'll have to do. And without further ado, thank you for watching, and I will probably see you in the next video. Bye.